Paytm Money Robo-advisor for investing full review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Paytm Money are in the description if you want to check it out. Paytm Money is a robo-advisory platform designed for investors looking for an easy, low-cost way to invest in mutual funds, stocks, IPOs, digital gold, and National Pension System (NPS). It caters to both beginners and experienced investors by offering direct mutual fund investments with zero commission, ensuring higher returns compared to regular mutual funds. The platform also provides smart recommendations based on risk appetite and financial goals, making investing straightforward. One of its standout features is the automated goal-based investment planning, allowing users to set targets for retirement, education, or wealth creation with optimized fund suggestions. Paytm Money supports SIPs and lump sum investments, providing flexibility in portfolio management. It also offers stock trading with real-time data, futures and options trading for advanced users, and access to IPOs. Additionally, its NPS investment feature helps users save for retirement with tax benefits, making it a well-rounded investment platform. The strengths of Paytm Money include its seamless mobile-first experience, zero-commission direct mutual fund investments, and an easy KYC process for quick account activation. The platform provides in-depth research, stock analysis tools, and price alerts, helping investors make informed decisions. Its integration with the Paytm ecosystem also allows smooth transactions and portfolio tracking. However, there are some limitations. Unlike fully automated robo-advisors, Paytm Money does not offer portfolio rebalancing, meaning users must manually adjust their investments. It also lacks human advisory support, which some investors may find helpful for personalized guidance. Additionally, while it offers multiple asset classes, it does not provide international stock investments, limiting global diversification. In conclusion, Paytm Money is a solid choice for investors who want a simple, cost-effective, and mobile-friendly platform for mutual fund and stock investing. Its zero-commission model, goal-based investment planning, and integration with Paytm make it highly convenient. If you're looking for an easy way to grow your wealth, Paytm Money is worth considering. Check out the links in the description for more details. If you found this review helpful, like and subscribe for more expert insights on investment tools.